Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we have a dead battery on my 2012 Toyota Highlander. So I do have this Goolo Powerbank. We're going to go ahead and see how easily this Goolo jump starts this vehicle. Alright guys, so today looks like we got a dead battery. We must have left the lights on last night. I bought this little power bank. It's really convenient. And this was a normal thing for us because we're a family of 7. We had dead batteries consistently. So in order for us to avoid that, we bought this power bank so we can jumpstart our vehicle really quick, just in case we left the lights on. You know, we have 5 kids that leave the door open, that the internal lights stay on. So we're going to go ahead and switch the key right here. As you can see, the key's in, but it has no power whatsoever. So let's get this little Goolo power bank and jumpstart this vehicle. All right guys, so we're in front of the vehicle. We have our Goolo power bank here. This is the battery. This is the positive terminal. This is the negative. So we're gonna go ahead and hook up our adapter. It says jumper cable here. So we're gonna go ahead and push this in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our negative, put it on the negative side. Then we're gonna get our positive and put it on the positive side. Then we do have 3 lines here. This should be able to start the vehicle. And then the battery is completely dead. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the boost button that's on the side. Give it, there we go. So that responded. So the vehicle is ready for me to turn on. Alright guys, so this little power bank was able to jump start my vehicle. So I did have to push the boost button because my battery was dead. You only had like maybe about 10 seconds to turn the key, but the alarm is gonna go on. So just be careful with that. So now that we have the vehicle turned on, we're gonna go ahead and remove the positive and negative. And this does come with a flashlight on the side. And the way you turn on your flashlight is just by holding the power button. You just hold it. I'll turn it on. You push it again. It'll give you the strobe. And then we do have 2 USB ports here. And it does get charged by a Type B charger. So this little Goolo is very handy and I really recommend it. It's only about $60 to keep in your car. It's pretty awesome. So hopefully you guys like the video. Go ahead and comment on any questions that you have. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.